Welcome everybody to week 7 here at Grantham University. My name is Ryan Toth, and this week we're doing a demonstration speech. Now, my demonstration speech is taking place in the bathroom. Now, for all of you out there, I never thought I'd be making videos in my bathroom, but here we are. And not only am I making videos in the bathroom, we're making it about the silent but deadly killer. No, young man, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about electricity. We're going to change out one of these light switches. Now, whenever you're dealing with electricity, safety comes first. Now, before we started this video, I have already cut off the electricity to this light panel. So, if you are unsure as to whether or not there's electricity on something you're working on, do not touch it. Safety first. Call an electrician. Do not mess around with something you do not know about. Now, changing light switches is fairly simple. First things first, we've got to take off the cover. Now, taking off the cover is pretty easy, but a lot of these covers can be very easily cracked. So you have to be gentle. Do not try to snatch it off the wall. You can snatch paint off the wall, you can break the cover, and your wife would not be happy. Good thing about this project that we're doing here is not only am I scoring points for class, I'm scoring points with my wife. How do you like that? She's wanted this light switch changed for weeks, if not months, and this is the perfect time to get around to it. I told her that I had a good plan for this light switch, and not only am I getting it fixed, getting points for class. So now we got all of our screws out of this panel. We're just going to gently pop it off the wall, like so. Now, this is the inside of your lighting panel. There's two screws to take out one of these switches. Top, excuse me. And bottom. Again, if you do not know about electricity, you're unsure about electricity, do not try this at home. Electricity can kill you. It does not take much to kill you at all. So, boom, and we're out. This one has 2 wires on the side. Here's my replacement. Those 2 wires go in these 2 switches. Now, if you get these wires backwards, off will be on will be off. Your wife will not be happy. Don't do that. Make sure your wires match up. So let's remove the old one. Again, I've already cut the power off this light switch. Before we started this video, as to not shock the fire out of myself. It does not feel good. Again, potentially deadly. Old light switch is out. Let's put a new light switch in. Make sure it goes around those screws and tighten it down nice and tight so it cannot go anywhere. Safety first. Hey, who's turning out the lights? I'm sorry, I'm hanging up a little bit on this one. Alright, tighten down screw number 1. I hope everybody's doing well. I know we got one more week left in this class. Not much longer. I've enjoyed it myself. This may be my most enjoyable speech right here, because I'm not focusing on the speech, focusing on what I'm doing. Almost done here. Now, put this back in the wall. The rest of this demonstration really just involves things we've already done. We're going to screw in this top screw. We're going to screw in the bottom screw. Make sure they're nice and tight, so this thing does not go anywhere. Hope you're taking notes out there. Again, never thought I'd be making videos in my bathroom. I should get points for having my clothes on. Probably be a bad idea if I didn't. All right, that's back on. Throw this lighting panel back up here. Like so. Get back on there. There we go. Alright, all that consists left in this video is for me to finish these screws out, which isn't too very exciting. But once completed, your job is completed. One key thing about putting these screws back in, do not tighten them down too tight. They will crack your faceplate. Your wife won't be happy, and those points you were shooting for, you won't get it. It's been a pleasure here. Week 7, Grantham University. Again, my name's Ryan Toth, and I hope y'all have a wonderful week. Good luck in the final week.